Hi. The other day I had prepared a video about deciduous trees and the science behind why leaves change color in temperate regions. Now, actually, if we see the landscape around North American countries, Europe, and Canada, we see two types of trees, and these two types of trees are, the first one is are the deciduous trees, and the second one are the evergreen trees. Now today in this video I am going to talk about the evergreen trees. Now as the name itself suggests, the evergreen trees are those trees which remain green forever. That is, these trees, they do not shed their leaves during autumn season, even in the adverse winter, that is in the months of December, January, February, etc. Sometimes when there is snow and sometimes when there is blizzard also, these times also these trees, they do not shed their leaves. Now just behind me there is okay. Now just behind me, behind the place where I'm sitting, if you can focus there, you see a tree that is fully green in color. Now this is one kind of an evergreen tree, and you can see the difference if you just pan around. You can see the difference in this tree. There are almost all the leaves have fallen, only a few leaves are remaining to be dropped. And then towards the right, if you see, there is a tree with a few more leaves, and towards the extreme right you see a number of trees which have completely shed their leaves and they have prepared themselves for the oncoming heat. Now, evergreen trees, why is it that these trees, they are not shedding their leaves and still they are able to survive the harsh winter where it snows heavily, and also we have snowstorms, blizzards, etc. The reason behind that is these trees have adapted themselves to the weather. Now I have a small branch of this tree, that is an evergreen tree here, and if you look at the leaves of these trees, these leaves are in the form of needles, and they have a waxy coating on them. The trees are very smooth, and if you touch them, you feel that there is a waxy coating on them. And most of these trees, they do not have flowers and seeds. They have cones, and inside the cone we have seeds. Now, why is it that nature has made them like this? Why is it that the leaves have become needle shaped? The reason behind that is these leaves, they have now in the form of needles, they have very low surface area, and photosynthesis takes place here also. Photosynthesis does place because we all know that the food for the tree or the plant is prepared in the leaves. So photosynthesis is very important. But the needle shaped leaves, they are helping the plant to save the surface area, and if snow falls on them, the waxy coating on them helps the tree to shed the snow. So that is the reason why we have these plants having leaves which are needle shaped and which are having waxy coating. Now, I just always wonder how beautiful nature is. See, we have different kinds of plants, we have different kinds of plants which have adapted themselves to live in adverse winter also. We have in the same place we see deciduous trees and we see evergreen trees also. So I just want to thank nature, and we should all help and to conserve nature and to love nature and also enjoy nature. Thank you.